Even if they're really sweet, you never know that they just snap one day. They want to prove to you they're the boss, and they'll match their will to your will every day of the week, and you'll get crazy frustrated.
Somebody leave me a comment, and I think her name is the YouTube name is Paramore. Roxy is Australian Shepherd, and Misty is a mix of terrier, and I don't know what kind of mix, but you can look in the Google if you see like her. That's a mix terrier. Okay, what kind of dog for like if you have a toddler, like a 2-year-old toddler, really?
Okay. Ideally, my favorite dog is a German Shepherd. It's my favorite dog. And I don't see a problem with them with kids. Rottweilers, yeah, I have an issue with.
I never see.
Dobermans, mostly not because of the dog themselves, but because the breeders inbreed them to get a lot of money for them. So there's
Doberman. What is Doberman? It's a big dog.
Yeah, they're used for guard dogs. All three of those dogs are.
But the German Shepherd is a guard dog too.
That's right. All three of those dogs are used for protection.
Yeah.
Roddy, I just don't trust them around kids, and Dobermans I don't trust around anybody. And I've had Dobermans. I have Dobermans that were sweet as could be. My friend had a Doberman the size of a Great Dane. That's a huge Doberman, and he was the sweetest dog you ever met. But they tend to inbreed these dogs, and you never know when they might snap.
Really?
So even if they're really sweet, you never know that they just snap one day.
Yeah, but
I've seen like good dogs just all of a sudden do something really not good. What kind of dog would I have for a child if I didn't go with a Shepherd? I'd probably go with a Retriever. Golden Retrievers, great.
Golden Retriever?
Rolling.
Because I'm thinking of Golden Retriever, what they look like.
Golden Retriever, Chesapeake Bay Retriever.
Okay, I will put the picture here, guys.
They're very good dogs, and they're great with kids. All right. Dalmatians, which people are under the impression that Dalmatians are good with kids, you know, the kind that they use for fire departments, not good with kids at all.
I see a lot of videos on bloggers that have with the baby and the German Shepherd. The German Shepherd is really good.
I love a Shepherd. I have no problem. She doesn't seem to think, she doesn't feel comfortable with a Shepherd because she said she had one, so she's looking for something for a toddler. I love a Shepherd. I would go with a Shepherd. And if you get them really small, they grow up with the baby, they're puppies with the baby, then they're attached. But if you're afraid of them, because German Shepherds are typically used as attack dogs, remember, she had, based on the 3 dogs she had, I'm guessing they were trained for protection.
But if you have a puppy, maybe have a company or a good best friend I think German Shepherd is, because I see a lot of babies that go along with the German Shepherd.
Don't have problems as they get older. They have problems with their hips.
That's
legs,
the same thing with our Roxy.
Well, because I assume because she's also a Shepherd.
Yeah, she is Australian.
Have problems as well.
What do you think of our 2 dogs? Okay, give them individually thing. What do you think? What do you don't like?
I wouldn't get a Terrier.
Okay, why?
I wouldn't get a Cocker Spaniel. They're too willful. I mean, Misty is very loving. She's very loving, but they kind of got a will of their own. Like a Cocker Spaniel, they want to prove to you they're the boss, and they'll match their will to your will every day of the week, and you'll get crazy frustrated. Dog like Misty, I don't know. She seems to have issues. I never had a Terrier before, so she seems to have issues going out into the yard like a normal dog. She doesn't run around in the grass like a normal dog. Like Roxy wants to run and play. She rather just sit and watch.
She really doesn't like wet grass.
Yeah, but she's got some quirks. I don't know if that's a personal issue with her or if it's a breed issue.
I don't know.
Remember also, Terriers were bred. They were created.
It's not really
to chase small animals.
Oh, that's why she runs really fast. She's a good runner, guys.
Mice, rats, rabbits, things like that. That's what they were bred for.
Oh, okay. She's a good runner, but that's not the only problem we had with Misty. That she have that attitude of her that
she's willful.
Yeah.
She's not as willful as Honey was, but she is willful.
Honey is the previous dog, the one that died. That's why
Misty still wants to be loved, and she still wants your approval. So her will doesn't overpower. Honey didn't care. She wanted what she wanted, and you would step in line and follow it.
I don't say that to Honey, but that's what you
Honey?
said. Yeah,
Absolutely.
that's what you said, but I don't say it to her. I say it to Misty more.
No, Missy's not as bad. Roxy, I don't compare it to a German Shepherd. She doesn't have that Shepherd quality.
Oh my God, she's still my shepherd, hon. Please.
Yeah, she's very loving. She's very playful. She's not a German Shepherd. It's a different animal.
Hon, she is a German
No,
Australian. She's
I don't
Australian.
care. I love her to death. She's very lovable, very playful. She's a little skittish.
What's Skittish, hon?
Skittish.
What's Skittish?
When I go to pet her, she kind of like backs up. Like what? I'm gonna yank your ears off. Or something. You know, in the meantime, then she'll come and she'll jump on top of me and start licking me. So you never know. She's just like.
But she makes you laugh all the time when she do something crazy.
Yeah, but she's a little skittish.
I love her so much. And she is jealous dog. So freaking jealous, guys. You know that and you know this?
Yeah, well, she's jealous of attention that some other pet is getting.
You should see these guys, how pretty they are, guys. Hold on, guys.
They're very pretty. They're very loyal.
Oh my
They're
God.
they're very good dogs.
Looks like Roxy too. Maybe Roxy is a retriever or something.
Hun. Maybe she's everything. Every time you see a picture of a dog, maybe that's Roxy.
So this is a golden retriever.
I'm sure there are a lot of good dogs out there.
I'm sure there is.
I mean, Huskies are great dogs, but
Oh, Husky is
how-
all the hair, guys.
But how are they with children? I don't know. Collies are great dogs. They're
Husky.
good. A collie is good with children. They're gonna shed a lot of hair. Collies are long-haired dogs.
The same thing with Husky.
According to this, I Heart Dogs.
Okay.
According to this, the #1 best breed for children, and I don't know that I agree with that, is a boxer.
What is boxer? What it looks like?
Mastiff, the same. Mastiff?
Mastiff.
I don't know that I agree with that either, but okay. 3 is a sheepdog.
What's
That I can
sheepdog?
see. I can understand the sheepdog.
Oh my God, that's
They're
so freaking
adorable.
cute.
They're adorable. Shows up as a Labrador Retriever. #4 best dog for
Retriever,
children.
that's so freaking cute.
This website is wrong. They're saying Dalmatian. Dalmatians are not good with kids. I don't understand why this website is not correct. Golden Retriever comes in #7.
Yeah.
So that's 2 retrievers in the list.
German Shepherd is not there.
Stafford Terrier.
Terrier.
Staffordshire Terrier.
That's not Miss. That's not
no,
Miss.
it's not like this. Newfoundland, which is
That's the
what they
ori-
told you Roxy was when we got her.
Newfoundland, guys. When we get
But
Roxy,
they're big as a house.
When
And
we-
of course, a ton. And mutts. They say mutts.
Mutts.
Which is true. Mutts are generally good dogs, but even a mutt, you want to know what mix is in that.
yeah, there's a lot of mutts in
They're
the
not
Philippines.
listing a shepherd, and I don't understand why.
Okay, guys, I will tell you about Miss
Yeah,
Roxy.
mixing a Dalmatian, I don't agree with.
Okay, when we get Roxy, the people over there told us that Roxy is what?
Newfoundland.
The Foundland. When we look online, the Foundland is the huge.
Like a bear.
It's like a bear dog, and then it's like the saliva is always like falling down with her because they have that fluffy lips, and then it's a big lips, and then it's like all the saliva is dripping all over the place. So when Roxy is growing up, we cannot see freaking what breed is that. It's just different. She doesn't even grow big, and I've been thinking, Roxy please grow big, but no, she doesn't. Newfoundland, don't get Newfoundland, but they're the freaking cute dog. I will put the picture here, guys. Newfoundland is the biggest dog. They're like freaking deer. No, not deer. Bear, hun, right? Honey?
Yeah, like a bear.
Like a bear. Like a bear. Kauban sa red horse, guys. Bear ba? Kauban sa red horse. Kauban sa pilsin. Right, Han?
Right.
So anyway, guys, yeah, thank you, sis, for the question. Tommy have a lot of experience of different kind of dog, but me, I don't have any. I have
But
only.
not every kind of dog. I don't want to tell you this is the best dog. I'm telling you from my experiences.
Yeah, but you
Terriers are great with children.
terrier,
And now I'm not terrier.
shepherd,
No. Retrievers.
retrievers. But I still want German shepherd. But anyway, guys, thank you for the question, sis. You know, I don't have any idea about dog, but all I can tell you, if you have Roxy and you have a baby, you should. We don't train Roxy like a professional. We hire professional trainer, no. But how much more if you train Roxy, because she's already good with kids, even no training. She's already super good and very good dog. But how much more if you train Roxy? If you have that kind of dog, you would, you know, it's good for the kid. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. But what is the good thing about the white car?
It's because the driver couldn't do it.